Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the new Deco Wi-Fi mesh system I got. This is the Wi-Fi 6 version, compatible with up to 3 gigabit of speed. And two things you should keep in mind with a mesh system: at least one has to be connected to the modem via Ethernet, and the other two are going to be placed anywhere around your house. And it's usually going to be in areas that receive less connection. So if you're dealing with that issue, I believe this will be a good fix to the problem. Now, without further ado, let's get right into the unboxing. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and open this box up. If you want a quick look at the sides of the boxes, it's pretty nice. Let's get to it. Upon opening up the box, you're gonna see that there is a place here that you can just pull out. Once you pull this out, once it's out, now we're just left with the plain white box, which we're gonna open up from the sides here. And as you can see here, you're presented with the Deco or Deco, however you want to call it. There is a mobile app, so we will be using the mobile app as well when setting this up. And it has a quick instructions here on how to do it. So we're gonna go ahead and set this up right now. Let's take a closer look at the modem itself. So on the front here, it's going to be white with a nice logo design. We have 3 Ethernet ports, support up to 3 gigabytes of Ethernet port. We also have the power outlet here, and we also have just a nice cooling system, not on the top, but at the bottom here, with some rubber for any sort of connection. And we're in the reset button down here. So overall, it looks really nice. Now we're gonna go ahead and open up the front here, and we're gonna be presented with a few things here. Here is gonna be the power brick, which is gonna connect right to the wall. Here is another power brick, so we're gonna get 3 for the 3 modems we're gonna have, including an installation guide and a Ethernet cable for the main Deco set. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up one of the boxes here and show you guys what it looks like from up close. From up close, this is what it looks like. It does look like a fairly big power brick, and I wish this was a bit smaller, but it'll do for now. Now we're gonna go on the app. We're gonna set this one up, and we're gonna see how it's supposed to work. So you just continue, allow. So if you already have a TP-Link ID, you can just add it there. If you don't have one, you can just create one. Once you're signed in, it'll ask you if you want to enable fingerprints or whatever. Now it's gonna take you to this setup page, and we can set up. We can start the setup here, basically. So it is going to ask for your Deco model. Make sure you know the right one. In our case, our Deco model is the X55, as I'm referring here to the box. Not the Pro, the X55. I believe the Pro model, solid yellow, pulsing blue, is ready for setup. Alright, so let me go check if it's pulsing blue. In my case, the Deco is pulsing blue, so I'm going to go ahead and continue. It's going to look for the Deco, allow location, so it can detect where you're at. It's going to ask if you should connect to the device. You say yes. It's going to connect to the device, and it is connected. Go to Wi-Fi setting, join Deco AABC. Alright, let's get ahead and do that. It's gonna ask you where you've placed that Deco. Since that is the main one, that one will be placed in the living room for my case. Okay guys, so once you've gone through that little process, it'll ask you to create your Wi-Fi name, password. You just follow that. You're gonna be taken to this screen. Finally, your Deco network is now set up. You do next. It's gonna tell you to plug in your other Decos and your other units that needs Wi-Fi extension and power them on. Once you do next, you're gonna wait until all the LEDs are blue, and it'll be automatically added to your network, and you'll be all set. And so yeah guys, thank you guys for watching this little unboxing and quick setup. I am not going to be testing out for Wi-Fi speeds because Wi-Fi speeds are based on your personal internet connection speed. Here, my personal instant connection speed is 1 gigabit per second, and I am going to be testing that out later at a later time. But thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next one.